how to share videos from Filto to YouTube. Open Filto app and tap the plus icon to open a new project. Import the video from your gallery. Once it loads, edit your video, adding effects, filters, sticker, text, canvas, music, and more. After finishing your edit in Filto, tap export at top right corner. It looks like arrow downwarding. Tap it. You will see sharing options. Tap more. From the list, tap YouTube. Tap next. You can edit your video from here too. Tap next. Add your detail. Add title, description, and privacy settings. Then tap upload. And also use keyword in your title and description for better reads. And that's it. Your video is now live on YouTube. If you love this tutorial, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Filto tips. Catch you in the next one.